Hello friend, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. Today I in the top of the building or in a clothesline area, and today I will hang my wet clothes. So when I hang my wet clothes, I also describe it in English. So that's the moment I enhance my vocabulary and also speaking practice. Okay, guys, so you also follow me while I doing that. Okay, right? But guys, I'm just interested into this view. My borders is going away after I look this view. This view is good enough for me to while I hang my clothes over here. Yeah. And so my clothes over there. So let me take it and I will show you. Ta-da! So this actually my clothes, the charm of clothes. Yeah, actually there are a piece of clothes in my charm and I will hang it to clothesline area. But this clothesline area already full and I will move to another one. And you see in my bag there is an empty space left over and I will hang my clothes over here. And guys, I only have two clothes hanger. Yeah. So it doesn't matter. Instead I waiting for other to pick their clothes down. I will be waste my time. So it doesn't matter, guys. So I will hang my clothes without hanger clothes. And now I'm taking my clothes out of the charm one by one. And they are still wet and feel a bit heavy in my hands. So I squeeze it. I squeeze. And one by one, I put them in a close light. Wow, I got a big one. This should need a white space, but it doesn't fit. Ah, and yeah, friend, that's all my mini vlog while I hang my clothes outside. And maybe in the next video, I will show you and we will discuss about what grass